Today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut Pro on your iPhone, specifically for iOS 17. CapCut is an amazing video editing app and the Pro version unlocks even more features, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later. You can check this by going to Settings, General, and on Software Update. Here you can see your iOS, or you can also find on About and on Software version or iOS version. Now go back and launch the App Store and search for CapCut. Once you see it in the search results, tap on it to view the app's page and simply download it. It's free to download, but to access the Pro features, you need to subscribe. Once CapCut is installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to create or log in. After that, look for the Pro subscription option, usually found in the settings or the main menu. Now choose the subscription plan that works for you and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. CapCut offers enhanced features like advanced editing tools, premium effects, and more. You can choose various plans. Now, after doing that, you'll have CapCut Pro explore all the amazing features. You can create stunning videos, add music, use filter, and much more. It's super user friendly, and so have fun with it. And that's what, you're all set to start editing with CapCut Pro on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.